On today's Try to Finish Something, you've been along for the journey. You already know that I have approval, 501st approval for my Mandalorian kit, the first of many. And when you get approved to be part of the 501st, you get a web page that lists all of the upcoming charity events and appearances that you can attend. And me being excited, I just started checking off as many as I could, and next thing you know, I'm signed up for a lot of them. And this weekend is Memorial Day weekend. I've got 2 events in the same weekend. One early in the morning at Denio's on Saturday for the Boys and Girls Club of Placer County. I'm all for that. That sounds like a lot of fun. And then the one on Monday is in Atwood, California, a fundraiser for a museum. Temperature is supposed to be 106, and I've got a whole lot of layers. And am I excited to go? I am still excited to go, and you're going to be along for the journey. That's what I'm going to do, my first 501st weekend, on today's Try to Finish Something.
Thank you so much. And our second donation, our third donation. Oh, this is fantastic. Thank you so much. Our friends here on stage are really excited, so thank you so much for that. Really appreciate the support. Thank you. Another donation. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Everybody, our 5th donation. Everybody here really appreciates it. Thank you so much. And more. Yes, keep it coming. Again, like we mentioned, 100% of today's proceeds all going back to the Boys and Girls Club. So thank you all so much for supporting us and supporting them. So thank you. So once again, who here has Disney Plus? Raise your hand. So if you have Disney Plus, you might be familiar with a little show called The Mandalorian. So we have a very special guest with us today from the show itself, known as Din Djarin. Please welcome The Mandalorian. Let's give him a round of applause. He came from a very far place. Come on up here, sir. We welcome you and we thank you so much for being here. We know you're very busy today. So, like I mentioned, all funds today are going to the Boys and Girls Club of Placer County. So we want to keep the donations coming. We want to make sure that you guys learn more about the Boys and Girls Club, that you guys support the Boys and Girls Club. And so again, we're just so excited. So we do have our professional photographer here today, Mike Martin, with Mike Martin Photography. He is going to be taking professional photos, which we will then post on our Instagram and our Facebook.
Event number 1 was to raise money for the Boys and Girls Club of Placer County at Denio's. The people I trooped with and met were amazing. The people at Denio's were amazing, and the looks on the kids' faces were priceless. This is something I will never forget. Disney and Star Wars are phenomenal for allowing this kind of fan interaction, and I spent hours in the sun taking photo after photo with those young and those young at heart. It was hot, but I didn't care. I might have been the last person out of my costume on Saturday, but I did notice a few things that I want to tweak on my costume, and I've got to work on some sort of a pose. That stupid right fist that I keep doing isn't menacing, and it isn't a good pose. But the event rocked. Get it? Rocked? Never mind. A big thanks to Inverness95 for letting me do that stupid pose with their instruments. Okay, the next event was on Monday for Memorial Day, and what better way to celebrate than trooping to raise money at a museum honoring those that have given so much for this country. We took a lot of pictures and had a blast. Other than taking a bunch of pictures with those in attendance, I took a whole lot of pictures of me just standing around with different aircraft and planes and thinking about everything that all of those machines have been through. And if you are ever near Atwater, California, it is an amazing museum and definitely worth the visit. And it was over 100 degrees, and after a few hours, I started to get tunnel vision and was just sweating like crazy. My first trooping weekend as the Mandalorian is finished. If you like this video, please subscribe and tell a friend. And as always, if you didn't, just keep it to yourself. And we'll see you next time as we try to finish something.